This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine step by step. First, focus on building a strong foundation in basic sciences, as this knowledge underpins all future learning. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by solving problems and discussing topics with peers. Consistent review is crucial for moving information from short-term to long-term memory, ensuring you retain vital concepts for years to come. This approach helps solidify your understanding from the very beginning. To truly master medical concepts, embrace active recall. Create flashcards or use digital tools to quiz yourself frequently, forcing your brain to retrieve information. Try explaining difficult topics out loud, as if teaching someone else. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Furthermore, consistently apply your knowledge to clinical scenarios and case studies. This practical application helps bridge the gap between theoretical learning and real-world medical practice, making your study much more effective. Efficiently managing your resources and time is paramount. Focus on high-yield materials, such as core textbooks and comprehensive question banks, which offer the most return on your study investment. Develop a structured study schedule, allocating specific times for different subjects, and ensuring you include regular, short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour. Collaborating with classmates can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss complex cases and clarify difficult concepts together, enhancing everyone's learning. Sustaining your success in medicine requires prioritizing your well-being. Ensure you maintain a balanced lifestyle, getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and eating nutritious meals. Incorporate mindfulness or other stress reduction techniques into your daily routine to prevent burnout, which is common in demanding fields. Finally, always be open to feedback on your performance and adapt your study strategies accordingly. Continuous improvement and self-care are key to a long and fulfilling medical career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.